In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export and print the Gantt chart in Monday.com step by step. If you're managing projects and need a clean version of your timeline to share with clients, stakeholders, or your team, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through opening the Gantt view, exporting it as a PDF, and printing it with the right settings so everything looks professional and easy to read. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board that contains the project tasks you want to export. This should be the board where your timeline and date columns are already set up. After opening the correct board, look at the top where your views are listed and click on the Gantt View tab. If you don't see a Gantt view yet, don't worry. Click on the plus icon that says Add View, then select Gantt from the list of available views. Choose the correct board if prompted, and create the view. Once it loads, you'll see your full project timeline displayed visually across the calendar. Now that your Gantt chart is open, the next step is exporting it. In the top corner of the Gantt view, click on the three-dot menu. This will open additional options for the view. From the drop-down menu, select Export, and then choose Export as PDF. In some versions of Monday.com, you may see a print option directly, but exporting as a PDF is usually the most flexible and reliable method. After selecting Export as PDF, you may be prompted to choose Page Settings. This is important. If your project timeline is wide, which most Gantt charts are, choose Landscape Orientation. This gives your tasks more horizontal space and prevents the timeline from being cut off. You may also see scaling or page size options depending on your browser or version. Adjust these if needed, then click Export to generate the file. Monday.com will process the export and download a PDF file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the PDF file and open it using your preferred PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat or your browser's built-in viewer. Before printing, quickly scroll through the document to make sure everything looks correct. Check that task names, timelines, and dependencies are clearly visible and not cut off. To print the Gantt chart, click on the Print option inside your PDF viewer. When the print dialog appears, choose your printer. For the best results, set the orientation to landscape if it's not already selected. This is highly recommended for Gantt charts because they are timeline-based and need horizontal space. Next, look for the scaling option and choose Fit to Page. This ensures the entire Gantt chart fits neatly within the printable area without awkward cropping. Once your settings look good, click Print. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed your Gantt chart in Monday.com. This is a great way to create physical copies for meetings, planning sessions, or executive reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Monday.com tips and project management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.